Hi, and welcome to Mrs. Cotton Candy's Darling Life. Hello there, my darlings. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe. I just wanted to come on quickly and just share with you a few hauls back. I hauled this Wizard Mircle eraser sheets. They're multi-purpose scrubbing sheets for those tough stains on household surfaces. So I just wanted to do a little to show you how they work. And you get 16 sheets, and I got these at the Canadian Dollar Tree. So I'm going to take you over to my stove, and I'm hoping there is a bit of a glare, but I have some mess here on my stove. See this brown stuff here, and there's some back here. So I'm going to put the camera down to show you that I can get majority of all that off my glass top stove with those sheets. So please stay tuned. So this is just the before, so I just wanted to share with you. There you go. So here's what the sheet looks like. It's very thin, and you're supposed to wet it. So I'm just going to wet it, and then you kind of squeeze it out. So now it's wet. I don't know if you can see there. It's wet. And I'm going to hopefully take out get all that stuff off here. You do have, like I am pressing. Let me see here. Maybe it's best to, so you can see here. See that there? Now it's gone. But I wanted you to see the brown marks, but I think I got those off. Oh, here's a brown mark right there. It's hard to do this and film at the same time. So people who can do this, power to you. See, there's you see the stuff coming off. Here, I'm going to take this off. That's just spaghetti sauce there, so that will just easily come off. But it's the dark marks like here. Here's this side. See there? And it comes right off. Like so. Now, I don't know if you can see, but there is some sort of, there is blackness here, but I can't seem to get all that off, but there's that's pretty gross. And I wipe my stove off usually every night, except the other night I didn't because I wanted to do this video. But anyways, that's what it looks like. And I'm just going to take this, this other cleaning wipe, Vim wipes that I have, and then just kind of make it shine a little bit nicer. Kind of soap it up a bit. See, you have to use the steel wool for that, but I'm not doing that right now. This is just to clean up. Anyways, so there's that, and I'll come back to show you when I got it all. So there's my finished glass top stove top there, using the Wizard eraser sheets. It's not 100%, but it's, I would say it would be like 95%. And you know how I like to rate items, so I'm just going to come back over here and rate this item. 10 being awesome and 1 being not so awesome. I would give this about, I think, about a 9. 9 out of 10. I quite like it. And here are I forgot to show you the back. You can use For bathroom and outdoors, it says ovens, sinks, countertops, bathtubs, tiles, toilet, walls, floors, doors, and more. So if you see these at your Dollar Trees in Canada or the United States, maybe pick it up and try it, because I think they do a pretty good job. And like you said, you get like 16 sheets. Thank you for joining me here on Mrs. Cotton Candy's Darling Life. I hope you're all staying safe, and remember to always believe in yourself. I believe in you, and you truly will go far. Toodaloo for now. Toodles. Thank you for all your love and support and for watching.